Hi, I had a request today for the beginning of Chattahoochee by Alan Jackson, and that was my attempt at that. I'm tuned to G open, G, D in the middle, high G, and I'll just take you through it. I think I got most of it there. It's in the key of C, and the songs, the chords to the song are C, G, C, and F, and then it also has a D in it, occasionally, and then back to C. But that's not what they wanted to know. They wanted to know how to play the intro. So I start off on the 4th to the 5th fret. So that's 4, hammer 5, and hit it twice again. I think that was 3 times. And then I go down here to the 2nd fret, and I pull off to the 1st to the open, and then 2nd, then open. Okay. Then it starts the next phrase, same thing. And sometimes I slide and sometimes I hammer on. I haven't decided which is better. You could tell me. Okay, that's on the middle string, 1 to 2, and then open, G and then high G, and then 2 open. Okay, and then it goes back. Here it only does it twice. Changes the phrasing, and that's 2 0. Then up here to 7, bend it like that. I don't think it matters if you pre-bend it or not, really. If you hear it, it's fine. So that's. So I'll show you what we got so far, and then I'll show you the last little bit. Okay, now the last little bit. Tricky there. So that last bit, 1 to 2, open, 2 open, 5 open, to 2, 2 in the middle, and then open again on the high one, 2 again. And then 1 to 2, open to 2 again, and then 1, pull off the open. Little bit complex. Now those last 3 notes, by the way, I think he's actually doing this on his Telecaster or whatever. I'm pretty sure he's not playing a Cigar box guitar. I didn't really want to recommend trying to get up there that fast, although I think that would sound a little bit better. This sounds a little too, piano-y. So that last bit again. So, there you go. Lots of fun, that song. I'm using a Vox amp today, and I'm doing that for a specific reason. Haven't used it for a while. It's a great amp. It's got built-in drummer. But it has a built-in compressor, and which I have sort of cranked up right now. And you can't really tell because I also have a lot of treble because I'm trying to get sort of that country Telecaster sound, which this isn't really meant for, but you know, I'm trying to get close there. And what that means of having the compressor on is when you're doing something like the 2-1-0, whoops, your little in-between notes come out stronger than they normally would, and it's real important at the ending. So even playing lightly, every single note came out at pretty well exactly the same volume, which is a thing that happens with country a lot. I'll include a screenshot tab of this lick at the end. So I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day. Bye.